Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your account can modify the desktop. If not, sign into an admin account. Next, open settings quickly by pressing Windows +I or right-click an empty taskbar area and choose Taskbar Settings. Once done, select Personalization, then Taskbar for Windows 11 or open Taskbar Properties on Windows 10. This gets you to the controls that determine position. Make sure you have any open windows minimized so you can see changes immediately. Once inside Taskbar Settings, locate Taskbar Behaviors or Taskbar Location on screen, depending on your version. You can choose icon alignment like left or center, or change the entire taskbar to bottom, left, right, or top. Select the option that fits your workflow. Make sure to toggle auto hide if you want more screen space and lock the taskbar to prevent accidental moves. Allow a moment for Windows to reposition items so you can confirm spacing and alignment. After choosing the new position, apply changes and test by opening apps and snapping windows to ensure everything behaves as expected. If icons look off or the bar won't move, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer and restart it to refresh the shell. Once done, check again. If the bar remains locked, unlock it first, then reposition. Finally, if problems persist, revert to default taskbar settings and repeat the steps slowly to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.